Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into some of the most exciting and must-have car gadgets and tools that every car owner will love. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 6. Milwaukee Inflator. This compact yet powerful inflator from Milwaukee is built for speed, precision, and convenience. Running on an 18V cordless system, it delivers up to 150 psi, making it perfect for passenger cars, light trucks, and medium-duty tires. Imagine topping off a 33-inch light truck tire in under 1 minute. That's what this inflator can do. It comes with True Fill technology, which checks system pressure, waits for stabilization, and automatically fills to your target PSI. Plus, it shuts off when done to prevent overinflation. With features like 4 PSI memory slots, anti-vibration feet, a 36-inch hose with a brass Schrader chuck, and onboard hose storage, this tool is portable, reliable, and efficient. Number 5. SEISSO Kit. If you've ever dealt with scratches, tears, or holes in your leather furniture, car seats, or even jackets, this SEISSO leather repair kit will impress you. It comes with everything you need, including 3 large-capacity repair fillers, a filler cream, mink oil, and professional tools. The repair cream restores cracked, torn, or burned leather quickly, blending seamlessly without affecting recoloring. The included mink oil softens, preserves, and protects all leather and vinyl surfaces from stains and water. This kit works on couches, handbags, shoes, jackets, and car interiors. It even comes with a color mixing guide, so you can customize shades for a perfect match. It's a professional-grade solution for anyone who wants their leather items looking brand new again. Number 4. Crystal Gear Knob. Upgrade your driving experience with this stunning crystal gear shift knob designed for BMW models. Crafted for both luxury and style, this accessory is more than just a handle. It's a statement. With its sleek crystal design, it adds a touch of elegance and uniqueness to your car's interior. Whether you drive a 5 Series, 6 Series, iX3, X5, or many other BMW models, this gear knob is designed to fit seamlessly. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your interior and give it that premium, high-end look every time you shift gears. Number 3. Auto Gear Step. Ever struggled to reach the roof of your SUV or car to load a bike, surfboard, or cargo box? The Auto Gear Doorstep is the perfect solution. Made from strong aluminum alloy, this foldable pedal hooks securely into your vehicle's door latch, providing a stable step to access the roof with ease. It supports up to 200 kilograms and features an anti-slip textured surface for safety. The foldable design makes it compact, easy to carry, and space-saving. Plus, it doubles as an emergency glass breaker, making it both practical and potentially life-saving. Suitable for most SUVs, RVs, and high-roof vehicles, this universal step is a smart investment for any traveler. Number 2. Car Devil Eye. Transform your vehicle's look and vibe at these Devil Eye LED headlights. Made from durable ABS material and designed to handle rough weather, these headlights come with 6 different light modes controlled by a remote. You can switch colors and patterns instantly to match your mood, creating an eye-catching effect that's sure to turn heads. Whether for everyday driving, parties, or even decorative purposes, these Demon Eye headlights deliver style and attitude. With easy installation on cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and trucks, they're versatile and perfect for anyone who loves standing out. Number 1. GOYOJO Wrench. Accuracy and control are everything when it comes to car or bike repairs, and the GOYOJO Torque Wrench delivers just that. With a range of 50 to 350 Newton meters and an impressive plus or minus 3% accuracy, this tool ensures that every bolt and nut is tightened to perfection. It's adjustable in 2 directions, giving you flexibility for different tasks. Built with high-quality materials and CE certification, this wrench is both reliable and durable. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool is essential for safe and precise repairs on cars, bikes, and more. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.